In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check my orders on Short Story. To get started, open the official Short Story website and select Sign In. If you already have the direct login page, you can use that as well. The goal here is simply to get into your account so you can view your order information from the dashboard. Once you're on the Sign In page, enter your email address and password, then click Sign In. Make sure you use the same account connected to your Short Story subscription or purchase history. If you have more than one email address, it's worth double checking that you're logging into the correct one, since your order details will only appear under the account that placed them. After you're logged in, go to your account or profile dashboard. This is where Short Story keeps the main details related to your boxes and account activity. If you're not sure where to click, look for an account icon, profile link, or menu option that takes you to your personal dashboard. From there, look for your current box or any scheduled order. Short Story allows you to check your current box schedule from within your account, so this is usually the best place to confirm what's coming next. If you have more than one order listed, take a moment to choose the one you want to review. Next, check the shipping status shown in your account. You may see an expected shipping time, a current status, or other delivery-related updates. This can help you quickly understand whether your box is still being prepared or if it's already on the way. To get more information, open the order details for the relevant box. This is where you can review the scheduled date, shipment status, and any other details available for that specific order. If you're trying to confirm timing, this section is especially helpful because it gives you a clearer view of where your order stands. You should also check your email for tracking information. Once your box leaves the warehouse, Short Story sends a shipping email that includes a tracking link. If you've just received that message, keep in mind that tracking updates may take around 24 hours to fully appear, so if the link doesn't show much information right away, that's completely normal. And that's it. By signing into your Short Story account, opening your dashboard, checking your current or scheduled box, reviewing the order details, and looking out for the shipping email, you can stay updated on your order status from start to finish.